In case of time, so related time, the kanji like that. So here a stroke of that kanji. Here this is a stroke. So sound like that Z or toki. Z or toki. So here if you write again, so here is Z or toki in case of time or meaning of time. So what sound and meaning? So zikan, zikan, time. So Z here, the stroke of that kanji, kan, so zikan, time, and here is toki doki, sometimes, toki, toki doki, sometimes, toki doki, sometimes, and here nanji desu ka? If I ask for time, so what time is it? So in Japan, nanji desu ka? So kore nan ji. So nanji, this is the hiragana. Desu ka? Nanji desu ka? What time is it? Nanji desu ka? What time is it?